Now I really gotta say that Honor has been pretty aggressive when it comes to the phone releases. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys a quick hands-on review and my first impressions of the Honor 8X. Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here and you're watching Adam Lobo TV. Now as soon as I got my hands on the phone, the first thing that I noticed is the great build and the form factor of the Honor 8X, as the phone feels very much solid on the hands and it is made out of glass right at the back area, and the color finishing seems to be very much close like the Honor 10. Now similar like the Honor 10, it has a whole blue like spectrum color right at the back. Then there's two cameras with a slight camera bump where it is arranged in a vertical position, and the fingerprint scanner is placed slightly towards the top, and that could be due to its larger size of the phone, so it boils down to your muscle memory. Now the phone has a 6.5-inch 1080p LCD display, a full view IPS display with a huge 91% screen to body ratio, where during my first impressions at looking at the screen, it is very much pleasing. Now as for the camera, the main camera is a 20 megapixel f1.8 and a 2 megapixel depth sensor right at the back. Then there's a 16 megapixel f2.0 in front, and I'll definitely show you guys some sample photos during my full video review really soon. Now in terms of the phone's internals, it is powered with the Kirin 710 chipset. It is shipped with Android 8.1 Oreo with the EMUI 8.2 skin, and the variant that I have is the 4 gigs of RAM with 64 gigs of storage, but I expect another variant of this phone during the launch as well. Now in terms of performance, as usual, I will use this phone as my daily driver to give you guys feedback during my full review, where I'll also test the battery life as well, as it has 3750 milliamps of battery. Now the Honor 8X will be launching on the 9th of October here in Malaysia, and I've got really good news that my buddy Zizan Razak is the ambassador for the phone, which is great. And of course, Honor will be announcing the price during the launch as well, and expect to have a very interesting surprising price factor. So guys, do let me know if you have any questions to ask about the Honor 8X at the comment section below, or even DM me on Instagram, as my full review of this phone will be based on your questions, just to make sure that I've got all your curiosity covered. Now aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick hands-on and the first impressions of the upcoming release of the Honor 8X. And if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.